Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. Exchange rates play a critical role in determining the value of a country's currency relative to others. In this case, the Iraqi dinar, IQD, is being compared to the US dollar, USD, which is a stable and widely used global reserve currency. Exchange rates between currencies can fluctuate daily or even throughout the day based on a number of factors, including supply and demand, geopolitical events, economic reports, and government policies. In this situation, the report suggests stability in the exchange rate of the dollar against the Iraqi dinar in Baghdad's central exchanges but notes a slight increase in Erbil, which is the capital of the Kurdistan region of Iraq. Baghdad's exchange rates. Baghdad is Iraq's capital and one of the most important financial hubs in the country. Exchange rates in central Baghdad's markets, such as Al-Kifar and Al-Harithiyya stock exchanges, tend to be used as benchmarks for other parts of the country. In the passage, it's noted that the exchange rate in Baghdad remained stable at 149,800 dinars for every 100 US dollars. This means that for every 100 US dollars being exchanged, you would receive 149,800 Iraqi dinars. This rate held steady from Saturday to Sunday, indicating no major movements in the exchange markets in Baghdad. The report goes further to provide details about the rates in Baghdad's exchange stores. These are places where individuals or businesses can physically exchange currencies, and typically, these stores have slightly higher or lower rates than the official market rates. In Baghdad, the selling rate for 100 US dollars was 150,750 dinars, which means if someone were to buy US dollars from the exchange, they would need to pay 150,750 dinars for every 100 US dollars. On the other hand, the buying rate was 148,750 dinars, meaning if someone were selling US dollars, they would receive 148,750 dinars for every 100 US dollars they exchange. This difference between the buying and selling rates is called the spread. The spread is where exchange brokers make a profit, as they buy foreign currency at a lower rate and sell it at a slightly higher one. Erbil's exchange rates. Erbil, as the capital of the autonomous Kurdistan region in northern Iraq, has its own financial markets, though they are closely tied to the national economy. In this report, Erbil's market shows a slight increase in the exchange rate of the US dollar against the dinar compared to Baghdad. In Erbil, the selling price for 100 US dollars was 149,950 dinars, slightly higher than the 149,800 dinars reported in Baghdad. Similarly, the buying price was 149,850 dinars, reflecting a marginally higher rate than in Baghdad. Factors affecting exchange rates. The stability in Baghdad's exchange rates and the slight increase in Erbil could be influenced by several factors. First, it's important to note that exchange rates are often impacted by supply and demand dynamics. If more people in Erbil are seeking to buy US dollars, the price of the dollar might go up slightly compared to Baghdad, where demand may not have changed as much. Additionally, political and economic developments play a significant role in currency fluctuations. Iraq, being an oil-rich country, is heavily dependent on oil exports for its foreign exchange reserves. Any changes in global oil prices, production levels, or demand could influence the amount of US dollars flowing into the country. Moreover, the country's political landscape, including stability within the Kurdistan region and its relationship with Baghdad, can affect investor confidence and economic activity, which in turn can impact exchange rates. Inflation, government debt, and international trade balances are other macroeconomic factors that could be at play. For instance, if the Iraqi government takes on significant debt or if inflation rates rise, the value of the dinar could weaken against the US dollar. Speculation and market sentiment. Market sentiment and speculation also play a role in exchange rate fluctuations. If traders or exchange brokers believe that the dinar will strengthen or weaken in the near future, they might adjust their rates accordingly. For example, if there's news of a potential revaluation or devaluation of the Iraqi dinar, brokers may adjust their prices to protect themselves from future losses or to capitalize on potential gains. In this case, the fact that rates remained stable in Baghdad but edged higher in Erbil could also indicate localized factors at play. For instance, regional economic activity or political developments in the Kurdistan region might be influencing the demand for US dollars more in Erbil than in Baghdad. In summary, the passage you provided describes a stable exchange rate situation in Baghdad and a slightly higher rate in Erbil. These rates are influenced by a variety of factors including supply and demand, economic conditions, political developments, and market sentiment. While the differences between the rates in Baghdad and Erbil are relatively small, they reflect the local dynamics in each market. This expanded explanation covers many of the key points, but expansion would be far too much for this subject matter. Is this level of detail what you're looking for, or would you prefer a different focus or further elaboration on a specific aspect of the exchange rates or their implications? Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.